Hello, I'm Stephen Watson. It's Inspiration Week. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is being filmed here at Deep River Landing in Deep River, Connecticut. And today's Tàijíquán Tip is for Tàijíquán, the art of Tàijíquán, and it is to seek inspiration in another form of art. Perhaps that's fine art, perhaps it's sculpture, perhaps it's performance art, perhaps it's graphic novel, perhaps it's a old television show, maybe it's a novel, but seek your inspiration in an art that is not martial, whereas at the very least is not your martial art. Opening yourself to inspiration in a field other than your own is a very wonderful practice. It feels to me that it helps us as a human. It doesn't just help our art. And if we can do something that helps us as a human, it tends to help our practice. And whatever helps our practice helps our art. And helping the art does, in fact, help humanity. So enjoy that. Go to a museum, go to a performance, replay a CD you haven't heard in a long time. Stop for a mime and take in their practice. Thank you very much. Appreciate you very much. And it'd be great if you let me know what inspires you. What inspires me is your interaction, your donations, your shares, your subscriptions, your commentary, and so forth. So thank you all very much for tuning into Inspiration Week.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.